What is up, you guys? It's your girl Chanel.janai from around the way. Hey, and today I am a freaking unicorn. That's right. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this unicorn look. Halloween is right around the corner. As I stated in my last video where I did another Halloween look, a mermaid look, feel free to click the link above me, by the way, if you want to see that look. I mentioned in that video that no, I do not necessarily celebrate Halloween. I don't care for Halloween due to my beliefs. However, I wanted to still be able to give you guys this content, and also I understand that as adults we don't really celebrate it anyway. It's more so about having fun. Like, this is the one time I could be creative with hair and makeup and stuff like that, and it's not really weird because it's just because of Halloween. Plus, there's times where you do costume competitions and stuff like that, so this is when this kind of look will come in handy. So if you don't know what to be, or if you've already made up your mind that you want to be a unicorn, you have come to the right channel and you have come to the right video, child. So I want you guys to kick back, relax. Matter of fact, don't kick back and relax. Get your makeup ready, take your notes, then continue to watch and get ready for this video. Without further ado, because I'm rambling on, let's get right into the video. Okay, so the wig that I am using today came like this. This wig is also by It's a Wig. The style is unicorn straight, and the color just says unicorn color. Oh, and I also want to show you guys that straight is not the only option. If you want, there are other options. There's a straight, there is body wave, and it's called Sundance. It looks like a crimp type of look, just so you know that there are other options. So I'm gonna do hair first before makeup for our unicorn look. There is no pulling this wig back, ponytails up high, or none of that, because you're gonna see every little flaw if you do that. There's no way, because there's no lace here where we can do baby hair and things like that all around. I'm just gonna pin this back so I can fix up the baby hair. We have this little bit of baby hair right here. You can also see that the part is horrible. This is truly a costume wig. Like, this is truly a costume wig, and not like every day, let's slay this and go out. Pulling out some of this baby hair because it's kind of a lot. So again, y'all know already I use Got to Be glue for everything. So I'm just gonna do my edges real quick. We got the purple going into the blue, going into the green, going into the yellow. While I'm laying the edges, I'm gonna move on to my eyes. Okay, so I'm gonna add some stones to my face if I don't stab myself to death. I got some stones from my local beauty supply store, and they're actually nail stones. These are for nails, but I'm gonna use them on my face because I do what I want to do. And I also have these adhesive gemstones that I'm gonna use for my face as well. I got these from Target. I'm happy that these, at least these, are adhesive, so I can pretty much line these up and put them on however I want to. I think 4 is enough for right there. I'm also going to stick a few of these on my body. I'm just having fun with these and putting them anywhere that I want to put them, okay? Now the one I'm putting them by my eyes are not adhesive, so I'm gonna have to use some eyelash glue. Lastly, I think I'm just gonna put on some lashes and do my lips. So let's do my lips first. Lastly, I'm just gonna sprinkle glitter on me. Now we can't be a unicorn without this, right? So I'm gonna put this on. Unicorn ready. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope that you enjoyed it, that you got inspired. I do want to mention that I am not a makeup artist in any way. So I'm not the best, but I hope that you enjoyed this video. I have fun doing it. I hope that you have fun doing it as well, or just watching if that's the case. Make sure that you guys give this video a thumbs up if you like this, and if you want me to keep going with these makeup videos, which I have never been confident in doing because makeup is not my thing, hair is my thing. But if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up so that I can know what you guys like to see and what you guys want to see. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Show me some love, show me some support. And I will see you guys later with another video. Bye now.